and welcome to This Week in the Studio. I'm Amy Nicole and I'm coming to you from gray and not too terribly hot South Texas. Welcome back! It's been a long time since I've done one of these videos. I apologize. Needless to say, I was very busy fleshing out the final details of my Chelsea party dress, my newest PDF pattern. I am so excited to finally have her out in the world. It was getting to the point where I just had to put everything else on hold and get her done, or she was never going to be released. So I had to take a break from my weekly videos to really be able to focus on that and get her out into the world, and I'm so excited that she finally is out in the world. I hope you saw my Chelsea party dress video that I released last week with the release. If you didn't, I will be sure to link that below. And as you can see here, I have all of my beautiful Chelsea party dresses that I've made myself. I love wearing them, especially in the summer when it's really hot. And my first news for this week is that the Chelsea party dress sew along is starting this week. So you've probably already seen one or two videos by the time this one is up. So actually, scratch that. I don't think there are any videos up for the sew along yet. So those will be posting this week, and I will link to the sew along in the comments below if you want to check out the schedule. You can follow along as we go. I like to create a sew along not to necessarily show start to finish how the making of the garment, but to really break down some of the elements of construction that can be a little trickier, especially for beginners, and format those as a tutorial on its own that can be consumed during the sew along, during the making of the Chelsea party dress, or on its own if you are using that technique with a different pattern as well. So be on the lookout for those tutorials. Even if you are not making the Chelsea party dress, you may find them helpful. So there will be lots of those going up in the next couple of weeks, and I would love for you to join me in that. Other than that, in the studio, I have been busy finishing up my restyling exchange project, which I mailed out last Saturday. I don't know if Michelle has gotten it yet. I'm really anxious for her to get it. I hope it fits. I will have videos for all of that up as well after the reveal weekend, because I cannot show you guys yet until the reveal weekend, which is the 22nd through 23rd of June, I believe, something like that. So make sure you're following #RestylingExchange on Instagram. Even if you aren't participating, it's really fun to see everybody's final makes, like all the before and after pictures. It's so much fun, and I can't wait to show you guys both what I made for Michelle and what she made for me. It's so cute and I'm so excited. I do have to make a little some small alterations to it before I photograph it, but I am hoping to get that photographed this week, and I cannot wait to show you guys. She did such a good job. I am probably going to get a lot of wear out of this garment, so I'm very excited about that. Today I am wearing a vintage set of overalls that I altered. I had to add this little piece of denim to the strap because it was kind of tight in the torso, and they were pants, but I shortened them, and we're getting really into the heat of summer here in Texas, so I'm just wearing it with a bra top, which I actually really love wearing overalls with just a bra top. This is the, I'm gonna get it wrong, Sierra maybe bra from Madeline Intimates. I'll link it below. This was a free pattern, I believe. It's super cute. It's like a halter style bra. I made it in this cute floral that I had in my stash with this sequins elastic that was left over from a client project, also in my stash. This floral isn't super soft, so I fully lined it with just some cotton jersey. I have photographed this, but I haven't posted about it yet, so you'll be seeing about it later. Also in the studio, I've been working on my ginger jeans, my high waist ginger jeans. It's been a very slow process because I've been trying to get my pattern out, but I'm hoping to finish those this month. I've actually been doing some slow sewing on them and adding in some fun details that I talked about wanting to do more of in my year of slow sewing video, which I will link below. And I've been working on embroidering the back pockets by hand. I don't know how well you can see that. I'm going to do a little sunflower on one butt and a sunshine with sun rays on the other butt. So I've started with the petals. I actually need to get more thread because I don't think I have enough to do both butt cheeks. I also have not decided, this is technically supposed to be a sunflower, but I don't know if I want to fill in the flower part or just let it be the petals. I feel like, I mean, maybe I'm just being lazy and I feel like it'll take forever, but I also feel like it'll be too much, and it's also supposed to be brown. I don't love brown. So, I don't know. Do you think it would look funny if I didn't fill in the middle of the flower and I just had the pocket with the petals? Let me know what you think in the comments below. I haven't started on the other pocket yet. It's not in here. So I haven't started, but that one will be easy because it's just a sunshine, and I guess if I fill in one circle, I'll fill in the other middle circle. I'll probably just do it, I don't know, it seems like it'll take forever. I really want to wear these jeans on my trip to LA at the end of the month. I'm going to LA to see my cousin, and I really want to take them with me, and I don't know if I'll be able to finish the embroidery on time. I also want to do some fun embroidery on the inside of the waistband, like a little just for me little detail, so I might have to stitch the pockets on half embroidered, wear them, and then take them off when I get home and finish the embroidery. I don't know, that might be crazy. I might just scrap my dreams of wearing them on the trip and do something else. I don't know, we'll see. Other than that, I've been just doing a few alterations around the studio. I'm hoping to get started on my next pattern very soon. This new pattern is going to be in the new size range, and I'm so excited about it. I have found a fit model in town who is willing to both fit model and let me take pictures of her, which is awesome. So she actually owns the hair salon that is next to the barbecue restaurant that my husband and I own. Super sweet gal. She's super fun and colorful, so I thought she would be perfect to fit model for me. Very, very excited about that. I'm going to sew up some test garments and fit those on her, fit them on myself, and get going with the new pattern, because I really want to release 3 patterns this year, and I really want to release the next pattern August, September. August is insane. It's not going to happen by August. September, maybe. I really want to sort of double down my efforts and focus a lot more on my pattern line and get more patterns released this year, which has meant that my personal sewing has kind of taken a back burner, but that's okay because it's the year of slow sewing. I'm not putting a ton of pressure on myself. I'm just letting it happen as it happens. So lastly, not sewing related, I got a guitar! This is another hobby of mine that I've recently picked up. I'm not going to play for you because I've literally had it for 2 weeks and I'm just learning, but I have been playing every day and starting to build that muscle memory. I've wanted to learn guitar for so long. I tried to learn in high school, my parents got me a guitar, but it was a full size, and this is called a parlor size. So it's a lot more better suited for my small framed body. So I'm hoping that I am able to pick this up a little bit easier. Also, I mean, YouTube makes a world of a difference as opposed to when I tried to learn in high school, like looking at a book. So it's just a lot funner of a way to learn too, because you got that visual reference, you can hear what it's supposed to sound like, and other than learning on a instruction book, I don't know what, I should have got my parents to get me lessons way back when. Anyways, I've been wanting to learn guitar forever. I'm a singer, and I should be able to accompany myself if I want to like go out and sing. So very excited, not related, but if you are a player yourself or a musician and you have any good resources or recommendations for a total beginner as far as learning goes, pop them in the comments below. I'm totally open to that. I named her Jolene. I love her. I'm so excited. Me and Jolene taking over the world. Lastly, my weekly crush for this week is Tabitha Sewer, my dear friend, everyone's favorite Instagram bestie, has released a new pattern. I'm sure you've seen it. It is so cute. It's called the Lena Horn. It's a very awesome vintage inspired dress with ruffles. I'm so happy for Tabitha. If anybody needs a PDF pattern line, it's her, because her style is just so fun and feminine and colorful, and everybody needs to be dressing like Tabitha. The pattern design, just the branding is so perfect and on point. It's so her. I think it's going to be available in Joann's. I mean, this girl is just a rock star. She's doing it, setting the bar for all of us so high. So congratulations, Tabitha. Be sure to check out that new pattern. I will link it below. Thank you so much for joining me this week in the studio. I'm sorry it's been a bit of a break since my last video. Hopefully I will be back on the ball with making videos more frequently. And I hope everybody has a great week in your sewing studio. Be sure to like this video, comment below, and subscribe. Thanks so much for joining me, and happy sewing. Bye!